brought to you by Turbosmart. Let's see what's in the box today. Right, so this is a fuel pressure regulator. And you need an aftermarket one when you're gonna have a bunch of horsepower coming in, which is what we're gonna do with the SUV. It's gonna be running E85, possibly pushing around 600 to the wheels. And good thing that this fuel pressure regulator is good for engines up to 800 horsepower, so we're good there. You got instructions, and of course a Turbosmart sticker, mounting bracket. Let's see. Might have to keep the camera down. Oh, nope. There we go. And here she is. Look at that beauty. I know, can't wait to get this installed. Get the SUV finally running and ready for the 2019 season. This is their oil pressure regulator. And this helps the oil pressure to not get above 40 psi. It's pretty handy. So you get a sticker. And then you get a mounting clip to mount it. And then these over here. Of course, a little regulator. Oh yes, and instructions. Those are very important. And here it is. So I wanted to do a video of what comes inside a V45 Turbosmart external wastegate. I got a 14 psi one in red, because of course it's my brand colors. And for those of you who don't know what external wastegate is, it helps divert the exhaust gases away from the turbo. So it basically like maximizes how much boost your turbo can create, so it kind of helps protect the turbo and the engine. So when you first open it, you get, of course, instructions to go online. Got a cool little tool to help, adjust some things, a sticker. All right, and then we got some fittings right here, and not one, not two, but 3 springs. And then we got the valve seat. Sits in the bottom of, I'll show you, it fits like down there. And then we got our V clamps, of course. There's one. Let me get this out. 2. Of course, the external wastegate. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Oh yeah. I'm just talented today. Just today though. So here she is. What a beauty. Look at that craftsmanship. What's really cool about this version is it got ports for water cooling, which I think is pretty cool. And cool this thing down. And yeah, so yeah, these are all the things that come with it. If you ever wanted to know, check out Turbosmart at www.turbosmart.com.